Yo, what's up, my Eagles?
You made the 6.
So what we're doing today is we're crazy. We're being crazy, and we're doing the 7 Ouija board challenges. If you guys can see right there.
To make our own, like I want to say our own version of it, like this.
A little bit more edited version.
Stupider version. Well, not even stupid. I would say it's kind of crazy. So they have actual Ouija boards. So.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm gonna drop my phone.
So guys, look at this. We even got Sock Monkey Mi Boi here to do it.
Sock Monkey Mi Boi, and we made Ouija boards.
Yeah.
We made technically we made 8.
But we didn't want to use 8.
But we only used 7, so.
Here we go.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna do. You want to use Sock Monkey Mi Boi?
So Sock Monkey right there.
Yeah, Sock Monkey Mi Boi is right here, so hold on, I'll get back to you guys once I flip the screen. Hey guys, I am back. So Joe, I'll try it. I'll do it first, and then you come right after me. All right?
All right. So okay.
So.
Hey, like you're in the shot, like.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Nah, it's okay. Like I'm trying.
Oh, I gotta flip. I gotta stay around.
All right, so. Apologize, guys.
Sorry, yeah, my butt was in the wrong direction.
So, if you're wondering why I'm wearing a bandana, I do have allergy to dust, so...
He's got to keep his pretty face calm and
safe. I've been sneezing before, so...
See, yeah, guys, he's allergic to dust and pollen.
Time? Okay, kind of.
Yo, guys, we are back, so... I don't know if you guys could see, but... Let's all stand up. We have the Ouija boards right here. And I am going to do them with Yo Boy.
What's up, guys? If you're wondering why I'm wearing a mask, like I said.
Yep.
I have allergies to dust and pollen, so, you know. I know normally in my other videos I don't wear a mask, but...
He wants to be safe.
Connor was always sneezing, so... Yeah. So yeah, Sock Monkey Mi Boi.
Sorry. Yeah, so here we go. So I do just spin it a few times. So,
Boy, we didn't even summon Tom yet.
What happened?
That shit was already moving.
So anyway, here we go. So I got Sock Monkey Mi Boi. Tom Mi Boi, if you're here, please give us a sign.
Tom Mi Boi, if you're here, please give us a sign. Yo, Tom Mi Boi,
if you're here, give us a sign.
Give us a sign. Yo, Tom Mi Boi, if you're here, give us a sign.
Yo, Tom Mi Boi, if you're here, give us a sign.
Yo, Tom Mi Boi, if you're here, give us a sign.
And so, what do you think? We should take Sock Monkey with us?
I would say leave Sock Monkey right here.
Guys. So while I have Joe's. Actually, Sock Monkey Mi Boi will watch the Ouija board.
Yo, what is up, guys? It's Yoboyscar, and you know we're back here at the Abandoned Firefighters House, or, you know, whatever we might as well call this, you know, Tom's House 2.0, or 3.0.
See, guys, Sock Monkey Mi Boi is right here, and we just did the Ouija boards.
We just did some Ouija boards. We made the Ouija boards. I know.
Yeah, we made our own Ouija boards.
Because you're Sock Monkey Mi Boi.
So
I'm gonna, you know, explore, show you guys, because in my last video I made here,
he got hurt.
I got hurt, and not only that, there was no audio.
Okay, that was just me. I thought I not scared the shit out of myself.
Let's go. So, as you can tell, we're actually upstairs.
Oh, and show them, guys. Hold on.
Yo, that ladder was not here the last time.
Yo, guys, Sock Monkey Mi Boi is watching the 7 Ouija boards. Tips on Mosargi for doing it. We just amped up his. So, yeah,
original credit to Mosargi.
Yeah, give him props.
The Ouija board. I mean, we kind of, you know, made it.
That was his idea, and we kind of just amped it up.
So shout out to
Mosargi.
The video to that channel will be in the link below.
Here.
You know, you always gotta get
hit him up.
To
shoot him up. Hit him up. I mean.
Yeah,
give him a shout out. So we're leaving Sock Monkey Mi Boi right there. and to come to the abandoned house and bring Sock Monkey My Boy. Come to the abandoned house and bring. We brought Sock Monkey My Boy here, and you know, let's just see.
So.
And if you guys remember, this.
Bloody Mary, are you here?
Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary. Ow! Already.
I've done that challenge before, nothing happened. I'm proving to you guys that never believe anything.
Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary. I think we're supposed to spin it around 3 times. Or something like that. To blow out a light. That's the closest light.
And
I think those are the rules, right?
I haven't done it in a long time.
Me neither.
Like, if you're gonna do it in the bathroom, you gotta light candles and like red candles. I don't know why red, but red.
Unfortunately, red. There's not gonna be a blue flame candle.
But
so yeah, I just want to go check on the Ouija board. I mean, go check on the bus. I haven't shown Joe. Joe has been looking for the tiger painted for a while.
So before last time I came in here. Much I would love to show you guys my piano skills.
Unfortunately, I don't know what. So guys, yeah. If you remember last time, I came here about a week ago, 2 ago with my boy, Edgar, my boy. So, how many of you eagles out there dare the yo boy to go jump in that pool down in the basement? Ow! Almost.
Guys, the last time I was here, I did get hurt.
I don't remember. Did you remember? Did you see this? I don't remember the tile being knocked down.
What tile?
Come over here. Come through here.
So here, see, here's a being skinny.
You're lucky, guys. It is hard being bulky. It is very hard being bulky, sergeants.
I'm gonna try to go
down there.
Put like my feet in there because I know for a fact it's like not even deep.
Do you guys dare him to go down there? Let us know in the comments below.
I'm gonna try, but at the same time, it's like I kind of don't want to. But
you know what? So. I'm gonna separate from Yo Boy. You go. You stay. If you stay in here if you want. I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna go in the back. Let me know what happens.
So,
yeah. I am going out, guys. What the fuck was that? Yo, Joe, I just heard a noise coming from the bus. What? What, Joe? Joe? No way, I'm coming back. Guys, so apparently Yo Boy heard something in here, so I'm gonna go investigate and check it out.
So,
where are you?
No, I didn't put the back like that. But I'm right here. So, I don't think I put the rock like that.
Yeah, I had him all pointed towards the. Yo, guys, he's right.
I remember I put that rock. This
like
rock
that.
Was like right here.
And I remember, Joe, this point was facing this way.
And if I'm not mistaken, your Sock Monkey leg was not like that.
Yeah. So, he does have a good point. Sock Monkey was sitting straight up, if I remember.
Sock Monkey, Sock Monkey leg already moved. And I can tell you guys right now, me and Blake here are the only ones in here. Well, the only ones in here, and I've showed you guys around this whole part. Yo, Tom, my boy.
Yo, Tom, my boy. Fuck it. Sorry for cursing, guys. Sock Monkey, my boy.
So I'm gonna show you the favorite part of me coming here.
Oh shit! This was not here. I just swear I saw something move out of place. Guys, this piece of wood just moved out of place. I could swear. Sorry, guys. Misconvenience. Yo, the floor, guys. My eagles. The floor's starting to come out. We didn't even move. Oh my God, guys, look at this. The floor's. If you tap on it lightly. See, that can't happen. They fixed this. I mean, no one's been here for a while, but that's not broke. Joe! Yo, do you remember if one of the floorboards was broken? Up here? Oh, God. Yo, guys, Sock Monkey's staring at the rock. Guys, I don't know if you can see. Sock Monkey Mi Boi is staring at the rock. Get back to you when it happens. We'll get back to you later. Peace. Oh. Yo, guys, I thought I could not find Yo Boy for a minute. Yo, Joe. Sock Monkey moved from the... He moved from his a little position. Now he's staring at the... Now he's staring at the rock. And one of the floorboards is loose. I don't think he was looking at a rock, was he?
No, I don't think.
I put him. Yo, guys. Yo boys and eagles, come and.
Why is it so? Why did it just get so dusty all of a sudden?
I mean, I ran up, but that's not a really trig dust.
But yeah, but you didn't run that much to a point where it.
The dust comes. First of all, look at Sock Monkey Mi Boi. He's looking at the rock. Yo, Sock Monkey Mi Boi, look. Guys, look.
Like he's legit looking at that rock.
Yeah, we didn't have him like that. If I'm correct, didn't we have him sitting up?
Yeah, and he was pointing his face like this. Yeah, are there any spirits or yo, Tom, my boy, are you in here?
Tom, my boy.
So Tom, if you're here,
your mother's a piece of shit.
Can you move these rocks to the yes? If you're here, can you?
Sorry for that, guys. Here? Yo, Tom, my boy, if you're here, please inform us. And if you're here, please give us a sign.
Let us know that you're here.
If you're here,
if you're here, please move these rocks to on the yes, so we know that you're
here.
Alright, so
it just suddenly got hot in here. I just suddenly felt. I just felt.
Yo,
a burst of heat.
Chills? For some reason, guys, like I'm legit getting chills. Like normally, I never get.
What chills. What do you call your viewers? Yo boys?
No, Scar.
Yo, Scar boys.
Scar fam.
Scar fam. Yo, Scar fam. I just got overheated and Yo Boy just felt a chill. I don't know if that's normal.
I mean, normally like.
Unless there's wind.
Yeah, but it's legit hot out, so.
It's okay to be hot, but not cold. So we are gonna bring Yo Boy in here.
So, as you guys can see.
Also, guys, I just designed some new bracelets. If you guys wanted some merch, I can make you one. I'll be dropping merch with the. I actually want to make a show. I didn't want to tell Yo Boy this, but next time you come, I want to make merch with you.
Nice.
So if you guys want merch, and for me not to get killed in this, comment down below.
Yo.
Guys, Joe is right. Last time he was here, well, I'll let you explain it. Go ahead.
Alright, so basically we were coming here. It was me, Blake, and his friend.
Yeah, my friend Ryan.
I wasn't paying attention, and I stepped on this.
This exact
board, which went through my
skin,
shoe, and through my sock, through my skin, which I was bleeding. I didn't want to show that part because
that would be gratuitous.
And after that, like I was healing because your boy heals from injuries quick, but that's besides the point.
So yeah, now it's here again.
Into there, and yet
it's back.
It's back.
Yo, you should take that as a souvenir.
unscrew that, no. That's going way back in there, bitch.
Guys, I'd be really, really creeped out if that came back out.
So, y'all see, I just threw it back in here.
I mean, I've seen one construction worker come here, but they don't touch this stuff. They haven't been here in like 2 months. And now Yo Boy is going to be down there, pimping it out. I dare you, Joe.
So, guys, this is the basement. Of the place. So,
comment down below if you want Joe to take a swim in there.
oh no, you bug it.
Not my idea.
So, that's the basement, guys.
Guys, if you could see, this is the basement. I really want to see Yo Boy swim in there. Come on, Joe.
This was too filthy. I don't want to get no anything.
Guys, we're gonna do a little prank on Yo Boy. We're gonna do a little prank on Yo Boy. Let's see if we can get Yo Boy. Yo, Frog My Boy's back!
What?
Frog My Boy's back!
Oh. Boy.
Look at this!
Yo, like
Frog My Boy was not here.
Huh.
He was not here last time.
No food cart though?
Guys.
Didn't you say the cart was gone?
Yeah, they moved it.
So it's...
Guys, Joe's saying they moved the food cart.
So...
Oh, well, I'm interested in going to check up on the Sock Monkey.
Uh-oh.
I don't think he moved.
No.
But he has a weird smile on his face.
Alright, so...
Here we go. I'm going to try. I am going to try one more time. Tom, my boy, if you're here, give us a sign. Move the cursor to yes while I'm out. Tom, my boy, if you're here, move the cursor to yes and give us a sign. Tom, my boy, if you're here, move the cursor to yes and give us a sign. Tom, my boy, if you're here, move the cursor to yes and give us a sign. Tom, my boy, give us a sign and move the cursor to yes if you are here. Tom, my boy, if you're here, move the cursor to yes and give us a sign. Sock Monkey, you'll be the witness. Tom, my boy, if you're here, give us a sign and move the cursor to yes. And guys, I'm going to put Sock Monkey, my boy, right here. He's going to be the guard.
So he's gonna be... Okay. Yes.
If he could stand up.
Alright, so Sock Monkey is...
Sock Monkey is guarding the...
So Sock Monkey is like this, guys. So...
He's going to be guarding the thing. Take a look, guys.
Wait, Tom, my boy.
Here. Panorama.
Your mom's a piece of
Panorama shot right there. You can use that for your video.
Yeah. So...
Tom, my boy, your mother's an ass. Your sister's an ass too. I am sorry for cursing, guys, but wow, it's ridiculously hot in here.
Yo, see, and this is why normally you wear tank tops.
So, yo, guys, I am going to be splitting up from Yo Boy. I am going to be going around the back, and Joe will be doing his thing. So, guys, if you, like I was saying before, oh, that was such a hurdle. If you guys want to see some merch, comment down below, and I will bring out some merch for you guys. I'm planning on making some, but life is busy. Enjoy life, guys. Don't just enjoy life. Don't just throw it away. Just be here. Yo, Joe, there's a cat machine here. There's one of those big cat machines here. Go look. Yo, guys, go try. Go try to break Yobo. Go try to break. Guys, I'm gonna try to break Yobo. Yo, Joe! I just got the shit knocked out of him.
So we're gonna be fighting.
I just got the shit knocked out of him.
Or then you can take like a picture.
I can't get it from there. You go try. I dare you try to climb up on this.
No, savages.
Guys, I will be right back. Yo, guys, I think Joe just saw Sock Monkey Mi Boi straight up. If I'm not mistaken, look.
What, Dad?
Joe,
Wait, hold on. What?
I just have a.
Hello? Hello?
Yo, guys,
Hello?
he got a call, but he doesn't know who. No one's answering.
Oh, my dad, but...
Your dad would answer.
Yeah.
That's really weird. So, guys, Joe, look at what the cursors are. Yes. This one's, I think it's at yes. This is kind of halfway at yes. 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 Yo, guys, the cursor's at yes.
Hello? What?
Sorry for the interruption, guys.
Yeah, I know, Dad. Hi, bye.
Everything okay?
Yeah, no, you just want to know my package was right there. Right there.
So, guys, I just brought... And Sock Monkey Mi Boi is looking at the floor now. They're all on yes, guys. We asked him to tell my boys here.
While we were gone, apparently the rock is pointing to a yes.
They all look like they're pointing to a yes.
They're all pointing to a yes. I mean, that looks like a yes.
It kind of looks like a yes, because
it's
this point is right here.
This one's kind of pointing to a yes.
It's more yes than no.
That one's to yes. That one's definitely a yes. Are you sure you didn't move them?
I just came up. Guys, I literally just came up. I swear to God, this is not clickbait.
Guys, I don't know if this is. I don't know.
I did not touch it.
Guys, I was on the bus. He was taking pictures.
Yeah, I was with you downstairs, remember?
He was downstairs with me, like legit.
But the second you got off the bus, I just came up here. But you were like 2 seconds behind me.
So yeah, I would have caught you if you didn't.
Yeah.
But no, Sock Monkey Mi Boi.
And the Sock Monkey, I think the Sock Monkey is sitting up. You didn't put him fully up, right? You put him fully up, am I correct?
No, I had him like that, but...
Yeah?
But his arm was not like that.
Yeah. That is freaky. Oh shit, the door closed!
Yo!
The door just closed, oh shit! Yo, sorry for cursing, the door just closed. But there's not enough wind to push that, right?
No.
The wind can... I mean, if it's a heavy-duty wind, it can.
Yeah, but it...
Wasn't that big. It was like a fair light breeze.
Right.
We are leaving this thing open. Fire truck. It's a fire truck. I thought it was... And the painting slipped.
No, it was like that.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I remember. Alright, so that's the basement. So...
What the fuck is this? Tool belt. Just when I'm looking for one.
So, apparently, that door.
Yeah, this door just literally closed by itself.
Closed.
By its freaking self.
I mean, it's windy, but it's not that windy.
Was there a rake over here by the time we got in?
What?
Did you see that green rake?
Yeah, no, it was there.
Are you sure? I don't remember it.
Nah, I remember it was there.
This is funny. How could...
But, apparently... And it's funny because before when I was pointing at the door, it blurred a little.
You know what's funny thing is, when I looked at you for a split second, my camera got blurry.
Yeah, same thing with mine. So...
And this is... I just noticed...
I think I might have got that door slamming, on my camera.
I literally got the sound of it, but I might have just got it for 2 minutes. Yo, guys. If you guys said that you were doing clickbait, you guys are completely off your rocker.
It's not clickbaiting. Trust me, guys. I mean, it's windy, but
not that windy.
Not that windy. Yo!
What?
Moving!
Yo, the door's moving! The lock is moving too!
Yo! Guys.
Yo, that was shit! That was...
See, guys, I'm outside. He's in there.
My hands are right here. I did not touch it at all.
You saw that.
You saw that? I didn't touch...
Yo, tell my boy.
Yo, tell my boy your mom's a piece of... Joe, the chandelier is crooked. I did not touch that.
Yo, I just pointed to it. My phone...
Come here.
Yo, my phone going blur.
My phone's gonna...
You stay down here.
My phone's getting staticky.
My boy, are you doing this?
Yo, guys, Joe's going up. So make sure you notice what he's doing. I'm gonna go outside. No.
So that one's already on it yet. Yo, guys, we are not even clickbaiting, man.
We are doing. This is whatever happens. Happens.
Barely even here, and like I said, there's no one in here with us.
It's just me. Yo, guys, whatever happens here, it's just me, him, and Sock Monkey. Train.
Those were moving.
Yo, where?
Yo. These were legit moving. I mean, it is windy out, guys.
Not that windy.
But, you see the trees moving. But it's not that windy to make those move.
Yo, guys, I just heard. I don't know if it's. I don't think this is circumstance, but I just heard "get out" from down there. I just heard a quick "get out."
Hell, get those in first.
What?
Tell me twice.
We're gonna leave Sock Monkey Mi Boi here?
No, you just get him and get the stuff.
Yo, boys, Joe's gonna be recording for me. I am gonna get the fuck out. The hell out of here.
So
I am getting Sock Monkey Mi Boi and the rocks out of here.
Yo!
What?
The piano's shaking.
Well, I ran upstairs.
No, but it's still shaking.
Come on, Sock Monkey Mi Boi, you're out. You're coming with us.
Yo, it's... Wait, what about this board stuff?
The what?
The stuff.
Alright.
So...
Yo, take Sock Monkey then. Ah.
Yo, Blake, is that you?
What?
Are you making that noise?
I just breathed. Guys.
So...
Joe.
Fuck.
Yeah.
So that piano was legit moving.
Are you sure?
That shit was moving even after you climbed up.
What the hell was that? I just heard stop everything. Guys, I am not clickbaiting this. I really just heard stop it, get out.
Don't tell me twice.
Bye, Sock Monkey Mi Boi, you're coming with me.
Yo, sorry to disturb you.
Sorry to disturb you, Tom. Yo, I just saw a little dust ghost over here. I am out.
Alright, yo,
So yo, I am out.
we're out.
We're on road to 30K likes.
So
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Have a blessed day, and yo, Sergeant's out, and the Scar fam is out.
Scar fam out. This been your
Peace.
Scar.
On. Yo guys, I just got home with Yo Boy, and I swear to God, I stepped on a nail. I must have stabbed myself with it. Yo Boy's starting a trend.
Shit. But Tom did it.
You started a trend of getting stabbed.
Yo, Tom did it.
Yeah. So we're on road to 30 likes. Don't forget to completely burn that like button. Tom, my boy, gave me a cough. He gave Joe the chills. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Hit him up. His link will be down below. Peace out, my Eagles.
Yo,
Hit that button up. Peace. One more thing before I go, my Eagles. If you guys want if you want Joe and I to do the merch, I just got.
Overnight challenge at the bin.
What?
Overnight challenge over there.
Over there?
Yeah.
Yo, if you guys are up for the overnight challenge at the Abandoned Firefighters House.
With Tom's house?
The Tom my boy.
House.
Yes, sir. We'll bring Sock Monkey Mi Boi, and maybe if you guys want some merch, I will design some merch for you with my boy Yo Boy over here. You up for that, Joe?
I'm not for it.
So yeah, thanks for watching. This has been Eagle Universe. If you like what you see, completely obliterate that like button. And this has been Eagle Universe. Peace out.
Oh, you shine bright, brighter than all the stars, brighter than fireworks. So I give you all my love. And your perfection, even in your mistakes, give affection, even when your heart aches. When I'm away, you're who I'm thinking of, because you are my home, wherever I may roam. You are the place where I can rest my weary bones. You are my home, home, home. You are my home, home, You're a diamond, brighter than my cloudy skies, sparkling all through the night. Light me up like fireflies.